Everyone, kali ini kita belajar lagi ya bersama Hori Digital. Kita belajar tentang conjunction with me, Miss Dian. Pertama kita bahas pengertian conjunction. Apa sih conjunction itu? Oke, conjunction adalah kata kerja yang berfungsi untuk menghubungkan antara frase, klausa, atau kalimat. Dengan menggunakan conjunction, kita bisa membuat kalimat yang kompleks. Selain itu, conjunction membuat kita menghindari ketidakberaturan kalimat-kalimat pendek dan membuat writing flow kita menjadi lebih baik. Tanpa conjunction, kita dipaksa untuk mengungkapkan setiap gagasan kompleks menjadi kalimat-kalimat simple. Seperti contoh kalimat di bawah ini, tapi letaknya di samping. Oke, contoh, Sandy asked me to come to her party. I could not come. I got sick at that day. Aturan penggunaan conjunction. Yang pertama, aturan pertama, conjunction digunakan untuk menghubungkan ide, tindakan, non-clause, serta kelas kata lainnya. Contoh kalimat, Sarah and I went to the movies and watched the Nutcracker and the Four Ghosts. Aturan kedua, conjunction berguna untuk membuat list. Contoh kalimat, John makes pancake, eggs, and coffee for breakfast. Aturan ketiga, ketika menggunakan conjunction, pastikan bahwa kelas kata yang dihubungkan dengan conjunction bersifat paralel atau mempunyai struktur yang sama. Contoh kalimat, I learn fast and carefully. I learn fast and I'm careful. Jenis-jenis conjunction. Yang pertama, coordinating conjunction, kedua, correlative conjunction, dan yang ketiga, subordinating conjunction. Nah, untuk ketiga ini kita akan bahas satu persatu. Pertama, coordinating conjunction, sering disebut dengan istilah Van Boy's conjunction. Di sini kita ada beberapa conjunction, ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ada 7 conjunction. Yang pertama, for. Fungsinya menghubungkan sebab pada akibat. Contohnya, I had to clean the floor as a punishment for making a mess. Conjunction yang kedua, and. Menghubungkan ide sekelas dan sama. Contohnya, I like fishing and hunting. Yang ketiga, nor. Menghubungkan dua kalimat negatif. She doesn't eat meat nor does she drink milk. Yang keempat, but. Menghubungkan ide sekelas namun berbeda. I like to eat fish but not to catch them. Or. Menghubungkan dua pilihan sekelas. Do you want to drink tea or coffee? Yet. Menghubungkan ide sekelas namun bertolak belakang. It's sunny yet cold. Yang terakhir, so. Menghubungkan akibat pada sebab. Contohnya, I didn't get enough sleep last night, so I'm so sleepy right now. Yang kedua, correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction selalu berpasangan. Nah, di sini ada 5. Yang pertama, both, pasangannya and. Contohnya, both London and Paris are worth to visit. Nah, yang kedua, not only, pasangannya but also. Japanese food is not only delicious but also beautiful to look at. Yang ketiga, either, pasangannya or. It's going to rain. Bring either an umbrella or a raincoat. Yang keempat, neither, pasangannya nor. My grandfather could neither read nor write. Yang kelima, whether, pasangannya or. I'm not sure whether he is lying or not. Yang ketiga, subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction merupakan kata pertama dalam dependent clause. Conjunction ini digunakan untuk tiga jenis klausa. Yang pertama ada adverb clause. Nah, di sini ada beberapa fungsinya. Yang pertama, waktu. Subordinating conjunctionnya after, as just as long as soon as, before, since, until, when, whenever, while. Contohnya, just as we left, he came. He waited as long as I could. While I was studying, she called me. Yang kedua, tempat. Fungsinya sebagai tempat. Subordinating conjunctionnya where, wherever, anywhere, everywhere. Contohnya, I like to shop wherever there is a sale. I use my credit card everywhere I shop. Fungsi yang ketiga, cara. As just as if, as stuff. I love wearing makeup as most women do. Yang keempat, fungsinya jarak. As plus adverb plus as. We will hike as far as we can before it's turned dark. Yang kelima, frekuensi. As often as. I call my parents as often as I can. Dan yang keenam, sebab. As, because, since. I cannot take evening class since I work at night. Fungsi tujuan, so that, in order that. He moves so that his home is not too far from his office. Fungsi akibat, so plus adjective plus that, so plus adverb plus that, such plus noun plus that, such much, many, little, few plus noun plus that. Contohnya, I was so tired last night that I fell asleep at dinner. She talked so softly that I cannot hear her voice. It was such an easy test that all students got A's. Fungsi kondisi, if, unless. We won't go diving unless the weather is better. Fungsi partial contrast, even though I love my brother, though we always have different opinion. Perbedaan, while, whereas. My brother like hard rock while I prefer classical music. Adjective clause. Fungsinya menunjuk kepada orang, conjunctionnya who, whom, whose. They didn't approve the man whom my sister married. An orphan is a child whose parents are dead. Fungsi menunjuk kepada orang atau benda which that. My new phone which I bought yesterday stopped working. Fungsi menunjuk kepada waktu dan tempat when where. An orphanage is a place where orphan live. Yang ketiga, noun clause. Fungsinya that clause, conjunctionnya that. Contoh kalimat, do you believe that there's life is outer space? Fungsinya if or whether clauses. Conjunctionnya whether or not, whether bla 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 or not, if bla 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 or not. Contoh kalimatnya, I can't remember whether I locked the door. I can't remember if I locked the door. Fungsi question clauses. Who, whoever, whom, which, what, where, when, who, why, who, how much, how many, how long, how often. Do you know where the bus station is? Yang keempat, conjunctive adverb digunakan menghubungkan dua independent clause. Fungsinya menambah ide yang sama. Conjunctionnya also, instead, furthermore, in addition, moreover. Contoh kalimat, I'm a student, also I work at a coffee shop. Fungsi menambah kelanjutan yang tak diduga. Conjunctionnya however, nevertheless, not, nonetheless, still. I can't cook very well, however I make quite good omelette. Menambah perbedaan. In contrast, on the other hand, Sarah is ambitious. In contrast, her brother is quite lazy. Menambah akibat. As a result, consequently, therefore, thus. John lazy that he gets C in math class. Fungsinya membuat list sesuai urutan waktu. Meanwhile, afterward, then subsequently. I went to supermarket, then I went home. Fungsi memberi contoh. For example, for instance, our identify can be identified by several aspects. For example, we can define ourselves by mentioning our physical appearance. Fungsinya memperlihatkan kesamaan. Similarly, likewise, Surabaya has hot weather. Similarly, Jakarta average temperature is 34 Celsius. Fungsinya memperlihatkan pernyataan kedua yang benar. Instead, on the contrary, rather. They plan to go to Bali, instead they went to Lombok. Fungsinya memberi kemungkinan lain. Alternatively, on the other hand, you can live in dorms of campus. Alternatively, you can rent a room of campus. Fungsinya menambah penjelasan. Otherwise, identify is the answer of the question, who are you? In other words, identify is the way that we use to represent ourselves. Dan fungsi yang terakhir membuat pernyataan yang lebih kuat. Indeed, in fact, berries are common fruits. Indeed, people love berries. Hore digital, bimbel online dan penyedia search code web. Our contact email, kalian bisa kontak di email, Instagram, or phone. Emailnya alisanhoredigital@gmail.com, atau kita ada di Instagram @horedigital or phone 081387534593. Thank you.